Hi guys, welcome to WebSensePro. Welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing all great, making a lot of money via e-commerce and your Shopify stores. So today's video is about reviewing combined theme and comparing it with the free themes. Now the reason why I'm creating this video is that first of all, most of the time I get comments that we want to add this thing in the combined theme or paid theme or the section which I create in this channel. A lot of people comment that can I add this on combined theme? And I thought to create a review video for you guys in order to show you guys that what other features you will be getting in this theme and why you should be moving on to a theme which costs more than $3. So first of all, let me give you the justification for the cost. Now, when you start your business, you might want to add a lot of functionalities on your store. Some of the functionalities like adding a cookie pop-up or adding a stylish looking slider. And there are many other functionalities which you get as a combination with the paid theme, which you will not be getting in a free theme. So you can start your store with a free theme, but down the line, when you boost your sales, when you get a lot of business, you might want to add in these interactive features, which will boost your sales more. And in order to add these features, if you have a free theme, you might want to pay developer, you might want to pay external apps, which is eventually going to cost you more than $300 because hiring a Shopify developer isn't less than $30 an hour. So if you hire a developer for, let's say, 10-20 hours a month, it's going to cost you eventually more than the paid theme. So that's why I think you should opt into a paid theme if you are getting enough revenue from your e-commerce business, right? So let me show you the features which you'll be getting in the combined theme and what are the cool features which you can add on your own without needing for a developer. So take a look at this theme, which is combined theme. We have pricing and we have 89% positive rating, right? And now let's scroll down to see what are the features which you will be getting. So here we have boost sales with smart bundle. Now, if you are a user of a free Horizon theme or a Dawn theme, you know that you will not be getting the smart bundle feature on those themes. And in order to add in those functionality, you might want to add a paid app, which will cost you not less than $15 a month. So that is one of the feature. And there are many other features which I'm going to show you guys, which you can add with this theme where you will be actually saving the money in the long run. So here we have a lot of animations. We have before after image slider, color swatches, and we have EU translations, FAQ page, we have age verifier, sticky cart, slide out cart, and bundle. I already showed you guys that we have smart bundles, back to top buttons, breadcrumbs, collection page navigation, mega menu, product filtering and sorting. So a lot of features actually which you will be getting with this theme. And they have ready-made presets. So if you have used WordPress for building your website, they do have the template kits. In Shopify, normally themes doesn't come with the template kits, but you will get this presets, which you can see have here, where we have these different template kits. So let's check out one of them to see how it looks. So here's the live demo of one of the presets from the combined theme. And this is ideal for the food businesses, for the restaurants. And you can see the scroll-in entrance animation looks really cool, right? Here we have these marquee sliders. Here we have autoplay video. Nice looking product sliders. Looks cool, right? So these are the 5 different type of presets which will come with this theme. and you can try out whichever you like the most. This was for the food. Let's check out one other, which is for this jewelry type of business. So let's click on view demo. Sliders and entrance animation add in a lot of interaction, a lot of interactivity to your store. So we have multiple type of swatches, like for color and for the sizes, which we can add within the homepage section. Here we have this countdown timer. Overall, really nice looking theme, right? Now I'm gonna add this to my development store and see some of the cool functionalities in live demo, right? So I already have that added. So if I go to my development store, and that is the latest version of combined theme 3.1.0.1. Now let's click on customize to see some of the cool sections live. Okay, so here we have all of the sections for homepage added, and key highlights of the combined theme is that product bundle section. So if I go to that product bundle section, you can see that we can choose 3 products and add those products as a bundle. And when we create a discount, we will get 33% off. So let's try adding the products. So I am going to click on select products here, and then select some of the t-shirt products. And here you can see that is how the product bundle is going to look like, right? And one other thing, one other section which this theme has is the product sets. So this is the product bundle, and it also has this product set, where when you click on add to cart, it is going to basically add all of these 3 items. Again, we're going to select the product. So here is the option to select the product. Let's try selecting some different products this time. Can we add some more? Yep, we can add 4. 4 of 4. So we can add 4 products in this set, and that is how it is going to look like, right? Let's try previewing it up. So that's the product bundle, and that is the product set. Let's take a look at the mobile version. Looks cool. That is for the product bundle. Looks nice, right? And one of the stylish slider which I really like the most is available in the presets. So if I go back to the theme page and open up the preset, which one was that? This one, the plush one. So if I click on that and click on view demo, take a look at this stylish slider with the parallax effect. Looks nice, right? So these type of features, if you would hire a developer, it's going to cost you a lot. If you do not hire a developer and try to do that app is mostly recurring, which is minimum $5. It may go up to $25. So it is value to the money. So make sure to try that out. Link is in the description. Now let's take a look at the product page of combined theme. So that's how the product page looks like. Here we have the sticky add to cart, a lot of cool section on the product page template. Let's visit some of the products. Here you can see that we also have these upsell features where we can add additional products as a product add-on. Cool, right? On top of that, one of the most important thing is that Combine theme has won a Shopify official award. So if you go to this link here, you can see that they have been awarded best theme. So one of a certified Shopify theme by Shopify itself with a lot of features. Again, if you would add every single features with an app, it is going to cost you a lot of money because it comes with a lot of features. And they also have the support. So if you need help setting up theme, or if you need to add any features, you can contact them via support. You can find the support within this theme page. So if I go back to the main theme page and here, where can I find that? Yep, scroll down and click on get support. It's going to take you to the contact us page where you can fill up your questions and queries and they'll get back to you. So that's it for the video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you want to continue with the theme or if you want me to go over a specific feature of that theme. Until next video, have a great day.